Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet, where we've been looking at Quail Ridge Summit and log cabin park models. This is a gray trailer with white trim. This is the Summit 40 CBCL and its MSRP is about $59,000. I'm going to take you around it and then we're going to go in it. Tell you about all its fine features. It's a tall loft with a triple axle, 20-gallon electric hot water heater. It's weathered gray with white trim. Got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep the loft cooler. House type rear entry door with the light beside it. The light goes where that round circle is. Big bay window at the dinette. Gives you a foot of extra space at the dinette. Outside outlet. Another outside light next to the patio door. And then in the front, you got two Eve mounted lights too. There's white trim, white lineals, weathered gray siding. White 6-foot vinyl patio door. Nice big patio door. Looky there, you've got beautiful PVC plank flooring through the entire main floor. Check this out. Look at that first. It even goes into the master bedroom there in the back. So you have carpet in the stairs and the loft only. Anyhow, looking around here, we have end table. We have end table and a lamp. We also have a coffee table that's going with this one. Everything in them stays in them. You got a sleeper sofa. You've got wood mini blinds on every window that opens. And you have a built-in entertainment center. There's a table and 4 chairs. There's actually storage underneath the chairs. See how I lifted that up? Little bit of hidden storage. You have a 30-inch convection microwave. Yes, that's right. That's the expensive microwave. Convection microwave. I upgrade most of my trailers to the stainless appliances. Not all of them, but some. It's got a 30-inch 5-burner range. That's better than the range I got at my house. All the drawers have full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like that. 18.5 cubic foot stainless fridge. You've got storage under the steps here. There's a little bit of storage. There's 4 doors here. There's the chandelier that goes over the dinette. And then some more storage in here. That can be your linen closet or pantry. Just kind of complements what you got here in the kitchen. I want to show you all the kitchen cabinets. There's plenty. You got no lack of cabinets in here. When you got an electric water heater in the corner. Let's go check out the bathroom. One nice feature is a 56,000 BTU stand-up furnace. So if you're a wintertime camper, you'll really appreciate the 56,000 BTU furnace. You got a house-type rear entry door. That's an in-swinging house-type door with the out-swinging storm door, just like you have at home. Had to show you that. Most trailers don't have that. So coming on in the bathroom here, you've got a great big linen closet, towel closet, blanket closet, whatever you want to call it. That's behind the shower. You have a 1-piece fiberglass tub surround, so you can take a bath or a shower. You've got the glass doors. That's an option that we added. Here is your medicine cabinet to keep all your meds, all your toothbrushes and toothpaste. Here you've got the sink and the vanity gives you storage underneath. Again, I want to point out that we're walking on the plank PVC flooring. This is gray aspen plank, and it carries on the entire main floor. Here's the master bedroom. It has the walk-around queen, which is standard. There's plenty of room in here for a king if you want to change it to a king. We sell all ours with the queen. That's what they come with. That's what you're going to get. Unless you order one, and you're welcome to order a king. There's the wardrobe. You got 8 drawers and 4 doors and lights in the closet. Again, you got all your drawers are full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Lights in here's the closet rods. You can see there's lights in there too. Ooh, nice flip job. GoPro loves to flip over on me. Behind the mirror is where the circuit breakers are. As you can see, all the breakers are clearly marked. 50 amp electric service. Again, mirror image closet here. You got his and hers wardrobe. End table and lamp. Nightstand and lamp. 56,000 BTU furnace. House type rear entry door. Plenty of closet space. There's their bathroom. Heading back through here. We still got to check the loft. Storage under the stairs. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Convection microwave, stainless sink. 5-burner Frigidaire 30-inch range. Check this out, because it does have a nice loft. The loft is about half the trailer. I'll go up here with you. It's got its own auxiliary air conditioner. It's got its own closet. It's got its own entertainment center. And I would say it definitely covers half the trailer, so you could do 2 or 3 queen beds up there without a problem. Well, heading back down, let's recap again. Summit 40 CKCL, that MSRP is $59,000. It's a nice trailer, available for immediate delivery. Showing you all around here. Hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed my videos. Don't forget, I have about 1,000 videos. So have a great day. Bye. Summit 40 CKCL. This is a Loft model trailer, and it's a popular floor plan. We'll have a quick look around, then I'll take you inside for a video tour. It's a good looking trailer. House type rear entry door. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner upstairs to keep your guests cool. Calm, cool, and collected. We sell a lot of trailers here. We've got a lot of 2020s in. A lot of them go to our local campground, which is Woodhaven Lakes, and a lot of them go to various states across the lower 48. Anyhow, let's go on in and have a look. Again, this was unit number 5694. 5694 is a 2020 Summit 40 CKCL. Beautiful open floor plan. Extended dormer. Mini blinds and on all the windows that open. Check out this coffee table. Nice desk. Sleeper sofa. Recliner, rocker. End table and lamp. Nightstand and lamp. 4 tables and chairs. Storage under the chairs. Lots of cabinets. 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch convection microwave, entertainment center, stainless appliances, stainless sink with a single lever faucet, cool looking countertops. Let's head up the stairs. There's plank flooring on the entire main floor with carpeting in the stairs and loft only. That's it. There's no carpeting anywhere except for the stairs and the loft. Got some storage upstairs. You got an entertainment center upstairs. So let's head on back to the bathroom and the master bedroom. See what we got there. As you can see, there's a lot of room here. Plenty of room to move around, entertain, have guests, lots of storage. There's storage under the steps. Got a house type rear entry door. 56,000 BTU furnace for them cold winter days. Check this out. Linen closet in the bath. Big linen closet, 2 of them. Glass tub surround. We've got a medicine cabinet for all your medicine. Nice sink. Let's check out the bedroom. Can't have a nice trailer without a nice bedroom. This is the upgraded cabinetry for 2020. This is nice lights in the closet. As you can see, I got this one plugged in. Lights by the mirror. 8 drawers and 4 doors. That's quite the wardrobe. Pretty cool, actually. Good view out the bedroom. Around here, all you see is more trailers. Pretty nice unit. See the plank wood, beautiful plank flooring throughout the entire trailer. There is no rug. So if you have pets or allergies, guess what? It's very easy to clean up after. Nice ceiling fan. We'll just pan around. Big open front end. I'm thinking somebody's gonna buy this. It's a very nice trailer. We'll be glad to hook you up. Have a great day and thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate it.